Okay. So, today we're going to talk about seasons. You can tell me what kind of seasons they think happen. What do you think, baby?
Summer.
Summer, that's a nice season. Do you know what season that is?
Fall.
Fall,
Like
yeah.
we're in right now.
Yeah,
There's
good
winter, spring.
Yes. So what's something interesting about the seasons that you guys know? What do you know?
What's interesting about fall is the leaves change and they fall.
Yeah, they change. That's right. Why do you think they change?
Because it's getting colder.
Right, because it's going to get cold for the wintertime. Those are good ideas. So today you guys will be able to identify the 4 seasons and describe things that happen in the 4 seasons, okay? So I'm going to read the book to you called The Reasons for Seasons.
That's right.
Yeah. So what do you think this book is going to talk to you guys about? What do you think, baby?
Seasons.
Seasons?
And what happens in them.
Yeah, what happens in them. I like that. What do you think, Emma? Yeah, right. So we're going to learn about seasons. Good job. I like that prediction. There we go. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. These are the 4 seasons of the year. Which one do you think is spring? Yeah. Why do you think that's spring?
Because the flowers start to bloom.
Yeah, because the flowers are blooming. That's a good one. Which one is summer? Oh, why is that summer? The sun? What do you think?
Because the sun is out.
Right, the sun is out.
And you could go anywhere you want to.
That's cool.
It looks like he's gonna go swimming.
Yeah, he's gonna go swimming, exactly. So today we're gonna talk about the 4 seasons, and you're gonna learn how to explain what events happen during the 4 seasons, okay? So we're reading a book called The Reasons for Seasons. So far at this page it says spring, summer, autumn, winter. These are the 4 seasons of the year. Okay?
Whoa!
Yeah. The sun warms the surface of Earth, the planet we live on. The tilt of Earth and relations of the sun changes throughout the year. This is what makes the seasons. So we take the Earth and the sun, rotate it together to make the seasons. Now it says, each season lasts about 3 months. 4 seasons make a year. That's how long it takes for Earth to revolve or make one trip around the sun. As Earth circles the sun, different parts of Earth are closer to the sun than others. This affects the amount of light and the heat they receive. So here's the rotation of Earth and the sun. Yeah, pretty cool. And here's our first season. What's this season? Spring. Good job. In the North Hemisphere, spring begins about March 21st. This is the season where more sunshine causes cooler air to be replaced by warmer air. In the Southern Hemisphere, autumn is beginning. The first day of spring is called the spring equinox. Spring begins in the Northern Hemisphere. Earth has moved along its path so that the sun is directly opposite of the equator. On this day, daylight and darkness are the same length of time over the entire Earth. In ancient times, some people celebrated this day because it was the beginning of the growing season. So this is spring. Yeah. Pretty cool. Spring is the season when some birds that have been away from the winter return again. This is called migration. Some whales migrate too. Some animals that slept all winter wake up and look for food. Spring winds are good for kite flying. So you can do kite flying in spring. Some birds migrate and look for food. Whales get to float even better underwater. It is the season when everything seems to come alive again. Trees grow new leaves and flowers bloom. Some crops are planted. So you even get to plant flowers and see trees grow. What season is this? What you think?
Summer.
Summer. It says, slowly the days in the northern hemisphere becomes longer because the part of Earth is tilted more toward the sun. We see the sun higher in the sky. More direct sunlight reaches the ground for longer periods of time. Summer begins in the northern hemisphere about June 21st. The northern hemisphere is tilted more toward the sun than at any other time of the year. It is the warmest sun season, in the southern hemisphere, winter is beginning. So that's how the Earth and sun rotate to bring summer. The first day of summer is called the summer solstice. It's also hard. It is the longest day of the year. On this day, we see the midday sun at its highest point in the sky. These hottest days of the summer take place after the summer solstice because Earth keeps absorbing more heat. Flowers and plants grow under the warm sun. Many animals are busy raising new families. So during summer, you could do lots of things, like watch flowers grow, animals start families, and kids even get to play outside. In summertime, people have fun outdoors. They can go to a beach, swim in a lake, or read under the shade of a big tree full of large green leaves.
I think they could do it in spring.
Yeah, they can go to spring too, but summer is more, relaxable or cool. And you see rainbows too. During summer, daylight is long. We see the sun high in the sky. It might be still daylight at bedtime. The nights are shorter. So during summertime, you get to go to bed even for a small amount of time. Oh, what season is this? What do you think? Fall? What you thinking? What season you think this is? Fall. What about you, baby?
Autumn.
Autumn? Why do you think it's autumn?
Fall.
You think it's fall? Okay, let's see. So this season is called autumn, even though it does look like fall. So you guys look up. Let's talk about autumn. So it says autumn begins about September 21st in the northern hemisphere. It is the season when the air starts to get cooler. The leaves of some trees turn into beautiful colors and fall to the ground, which is why some people call this season fall. So you guys were right. Autumn and fall are called the same thing. So autumn is like another name for fall. So good job, guys. In the southern hemisphere, spring is beginning. The first day of autumn is called the autumn equinox. When autumn begins in the northern hemisphere, Earth has moved along its path so that the sun is directly opposite the equator and moon. On this day, daylight and darkness are about the same length of time over the entire Earth. Since ancient times, some people have celebrated this time of the year because of autumn harvest.
My dad is allergic to this right now.
Oh,
this
okay.
season,
Yeah.
because they start harvesting.
Yeah.
And the pollen.
Yeah, a lot of pollen comes out in fall. Good job, baby. Some birds migrate to warmer climates. Animals prepare themselves for the long, cold season to come. Children go back to school in many places. It is the harvest season. Farmers gather their crops, and there are many county fairs too. So during this season, that's when they have like pumpkin patches or a lot of birds go fly.
It's going to be very hard for my dad when we go get some.
Yeah. So a lot of birds and other animals tend to go to the south hemisphere because it's about to get cold, which means winter's coming. So birds and everything, they won't be able to be outside because they'll get cold. Oh, here's our favorite season. What season is this?
Winter.
Winter. What do you think, Emma?
Winter.
It's winter? Is that you?
Winter!
Yes, it's winter. Good job. Let's talk about winter. The air becomes cooler because the northern hemisphere is tilted farther away from the sun. The days grow shorter and the nights become longer. We see the sun lower in the autumn sky. So when winter comes, the sun starts to lower down. In the northern hemisphere, winter begins about December 21st. This is the time of year the northern hemisphere is tilted farthest from the sun. It is the coldest season of the year. In the southern hemisphere, summer is beginning. The first day of winter is the shortest day of the year. This is called the lunar solstice. On this day, we see the midday sun at its lowest point in the sky. In the early times, the first day of winter was celebrated as a festival to honor light and to keep away darkness and to hope for the sun's return. The coldest days of winter come after the lunar solstice because Earth keeps losing the heat it gained in the summer. Leaves are gone from the moist trees. These are the many birds. Some animals sleep all winter. This is called hibernation. Good job, people. Often it is very cold. So this is a lot of things that take place.
This is
A red raptor bird.
no, it's called I can't remember, but it's a bird that calls a strong man bird.
Yeah, good job. So like I said, during wintertime, some animals can't take all the snow, so they have to go hibernate underground.
Or in the cave.
Yeah, in the cave. Good job. And that's when we stay wrapped up in clothes because our bodies can freeze.
And turning ice cream.
Yeah, we could be icicles. It may be time for ice skating, skiing, and make a snowman. Some people wear winter coats, jackets, mitts, and hats. Sometimes it is nice to stay outdoors. Or indoors, I'm sorry. During winter, daylight is short and the nights are long. We see the sun low in the sky. Sometimes it is the dark evening before winter. So this is how it looks during winter time. You'll be inside with your family. You might go ice skating.
You can eat hot chocolate.
You can eat hot chocolate. Good job.
And my dad's birthday is on New Year's Eve.
Oh, that's nice. Now it says areas near the equator have little temperature change during the year. These places are hardly affected by the tilt of Earth. Instead, the seasons are marked by alternating rainy and dry periods, 2 rainy, 2 dry seasons each year. Each day at the equator, daylight and darkness are almost always equal. At the end, at the North Pole and the South Pole, it is always cold. Who lives at the North Pole? What do you think?
Polar bears?
Polar bears? Okay, what do you think? Who lives at the North Pole? Penguins and Santa? Okay, we got your figure.
There's like bull whales. Bull whales actually.
Yeah.
And penguins.
And penguins, yeah. You guys are all right. They all live at the North Pole. Okay. Now it says, when a pole is tilted far away from the sun, it is winter. During parts of winter, the sun never appears over the horizon. It is always dark. When a pole is tilted closer to the sun, it is summer. At times, it is always light. So, here's spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Your birthday is in winter? Cool. Year after year, the seasons repeat themselves.
I did not know when it was.
Yeah. So these are our 4 seasons. So what season is this? What do you think, people?
Summer.
Summer. What about this one? Autumn. Good job, Emma. And what's this season?
Winter.
Winter. Good job. And what about this? What do you think? Spring. Good job, girls. I love it. Earth and its many relationships to the sun are the reasons for the seasons. So just like we can see here, Earth and the sun creates all of our seasons. So that's how each season comes.
Like season in the beginning of the book.
Exactly. So that's our reason for seasons. So now we're going to do some writing prompts and drawings to express each season and describe what happens during each
If we
season.
had one more,
Yeah, I have some pencils for you.
if we had one more season, we could do one season.
Yeah, we can do it. Okay. So, for your first sentence, I want you to write, my favorite season is. Just like I did. You're going to write, my favorite season is.
I need help with
With what? Favorite? So it's FAVORITE. Finger space. The season, SEASON. The finger space is.
Oh.
Yep, this one. So is IS. Right. So what's your favorite season? Because winter, so we're gonna write winter. What about you, Emily?
Summer.
You write summer. Phoebe, what's your favorite season? Spring, so you write spring. And my favorite season is summer. So I'm gonna write summer. I like how you're sounding out your words, Phoebe. You know, forget your periods at the end. Winter,
Well, that's sing.
N WIN. ER. Nice. Okay. You got it, Phoebe? Anything else around this spelling spring? So. It. Right. Good. Period. Good job.
I know how to spell the ing.
Period. Nice. Okay.
Most words with the ing is ing.
Yes, correct it is. So now we're going to do our next sentence. So go down the line and you're going to leave a blank space and put is my favorite because.
Sometimes if you have space on this side,
right. So I'm going to demonstrate for you. So summer was my favorite season, right? So I'm going to put summer. And then I have is my favorite because. Summer's my favorite season because. I'm going to put I get to go swimming. So that's why summer is my favorite season. So for Poseidon, you said winter was your favorite season. So you're going to say winter is my favorite season because, and we're going to write why. So summer was my favorite season because I get to go swimming. So Emma, you're going to explain why summer is your favorite season too. And Phoebe, you're going to put spring is my favorite season because, and tell me why.
Because I get to see Nina.
Okay, that's nice. So spring is your favorite season because you get to visit your nanny. I like that. You're going to tell me why is your favorite season. So when is your favorite season because, what, maybe because it's your birthday season? You can put that.
Season, you said summer is my favorite.
Oh, thank you, Phoebe. So I made a mistake. I need to put summer is my favorite. I'm going to put an arrow down here so I can explain that it's a season. Thanks for my correction, Phoebe. Teachers make mistakes too. Good job. Because C-A-U-S-E. Oh, you had it right. So you need to make you S-E. Right. Good job, Phoebe, sounding out your letters. Right, B. Right, A. S-E.